To the channel. Starting with number 5, Dubai enforces strict building height regulations, ensuring structures align with aviation safety, aesthetic harmony, and urban planning goals. Skyscrapers require approvals from the General Civil Aviation Authority, often restricting heights below 450 meters. The iconic Burj Khalifa, soaring 828 meters, remains an exception. Moving to number 4, stick around. Curitiba's bus rapid transit system moves 2 million people daily, cheaper than subways, but just as fast. Triple-section bi-articulated buses, exclusive lanes, and prepaid boarding make transit shockingly efficient. Even New York studied it, designed in 1974, yet still outpacing modern systems today. Moving to number 3, stick around. San Francisco, a city famed for its skyline, now restricts skyscraper construction due to concerns over seismic risks, shadow laws protecting sunlight access, and structural integrity on liquefaction-prone soil. The Millennium Tower's infamous tilt over 27 inches intensifies scrutiny on high-rise stability. Moving to number 2, stick around. Venice, struggling against rising tides and erosion, banned large cruise ships over 25,000 tons from entering its fragile lagoon in 2021. Why? These massive vessels displace water, accelerating damage to the city's ancient wooden foundations, some over 1,000 years old. Lastly, we will talk about how Paris, in a baffling regulation, bans washing clothes after 10 at night, stemming from noise pollution concerns in old apartment buildings with thin walls. French urban laws emphasize communal harmony, limiting disruptive activities. Historically, Paris enforces strict housing regulations, ensuring nighttime tranquility. Imagine spinning washers breaking centuries-old peace. Now, reflecting on Dubai's strict building height regulations, Curitiba's extensive bus rapid transit system, San Francisco's ban on building new skyscrapers, Venice's restrictions on cruise ships, urban rules shape lifestyles. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing urban facts.